a visit to Cambridge. Let's finish it, complete this chapter today. Okay, so we are reading about whom? Stephen Hawking, and this chapter is a conversation, a kind of conversation between Stephen Hawking and Firdaus, right? So both are disabled, okay? And for Mr. Hawkins, he had no movements, actually, only his fingers moved, that's all. Correct? So let's start the description of body and soul that the writer has given. That is very important. The question can come directly for 4 marks. Is it okay? So it means when you have to write this answer, connect it to the chapter and then general sense also. Is it okay? So let's start page number 102. 99. Who is saying 104? Okay, I think we have read here now. Every time I shifted in my chair or turned my wrist to watch the time, he was relieved that there is still some movement in his body, and then how little it mattered that later on he realized that it was just means body doesn't matter, and but still he was okay with his movements, that he was able to move. Okay, so let's start. According to my book, it's 103, page number 103, and for 99. Okay, let's start reading.
I told him how he had been an inspiration beyond Childs for me and surely for others. Did that thought help him? No, he said, and I thought how foolish I was to ask. When your body is a claustrophobic room and the walls are growing narrow day by day, it doesn't do much good to know that there are people outside smiling with the admiration to see your breathing still. Is there any?
Now he just asked that the common, like we ask celebrities also, they face this type of question that you are my inspiration, I follow you. So he just said this, that he actually presented his emotion very clearly that time, that you are my inspiration, and not only my inspiration but others also. There are so many people who follow you, who are inspired. And then he said that no, did that thought help him? He said that you know that so many people love you, they get inspiration from you. Is it helpful? Means the thought of this thing, that yes, there are so many people out there who follow, kind of they are following you. Suppose you are sitting here and you know that in this school only there are so many students who follow you, and you are kind of role model to them. तो वो तुम्हें कुछ motivation देगी चीज? Will that situation give you any kind of motivation? कि you cannot imagine कि अभी कभी ऐसा हो भी सकता है जिंदगी में हमारे साथ. पुलकित तो सोच ही नहीं रहा. He is not able to think. चलो, he said no, but Hawkins, he said no. He know that thought doesn't help me, that there are so many people and they are inspired. So he said that no, this is nothing, this is not at all useful. बस ठीक है, मीन्स उसको उस चीज से कोई लेना देना नहीं है कि कोई उससे इंस्पायर्ड है या नहीं है. ठीक है. So he said, and I thought how foolish I was to ask. That time when he said no, that time the writer realized that he was stupid, that he asked such type of question, that whether such type of thing is helpful or not. Then he said, when your body is a claustrophobic matlab when we are locked in some kind of closed room, box, कुछ ऐसा होता है तो हमें जो kind of phobia होता है, that is. So he said, and the walls are growing narrower day by day. He's talking about the body. Is it okay? He's talking about the body. The walls are growing narrower day by day, means his body, it was just kind of getting damaged. वो खराब होती जा रही थी उसकी body. ठीक है? So he said that it doesn't do much good to know that there are people outside smiling with admiration to admire. They admire you to still breathing. Matlab, he said that when you know you are going to die, that your body is just useless, it is just a waste, and you are still sitting there, your daily you are just moving towards your death. And then he said that that time such type of thought doesn't matter, that how many people like you, whether they are inspired or not inspired, that doesn't matter. Okay, he is talking about his body. Then
Is there any advice you can give disabled people, something that might help make life better?
this is important, the advice is important.
They should concentrate on what they are good at. I think things like the disabled Olympics are a waste of time. I know what you mean. I remember the years I had spent trying to play a Spanish guitar considerably larger than I was, and how gracefully I had unstrung it one night. The half hour was up. I think I have annoyed you enough. I said, grinning. Thank you for.
Wait. So now he said, after this question, he said that, is there any advice you can give to disabled people? So he said that only thing is that don't try to overachieve something, means, okay, you are disabled, that's okay. And you have to live with this reality only, but don't try to prove yourself every time. Okay? Just do the thing in which you are good. And this is not only for disabled, this is for all. हमें सिर्फ वही चीज करनी चाहिए जिसमें हम अच्छे हैं. We should not try to, मतलब होता है ना, हर चीज में कई बच्चे होते हैं, उन्होंने यहाँ पे भी काम शुरू किया हुआ है, वहां पे भी किया हुआ है, वहां पे भी किया हुआ है. That should not be the case. You should practice that thing in which you are good. That's all. So this was his advice for disabled people. He said that the idea of Paralympics, that is just waste of time. Okay, what they do, maybe according to him, it is just a part of gaining publicity, getting you can say to become celebrity. और आजकल तो बहुत ज्यादा कवरेज भी हो रही है, आजकल तो ये बिल्कुल प्रूव ही होता जा रहा है कि that is just for that purpose only. Business, kind of business, जो उसे promote कर रहे हैं, such type of things. So he is saying that don't focus on those things and don't give pain to your body. Okay, means whatever you can do easily or you are good at, just try only those things, nothing else. Focus on those. So with this advice, the writer, he tries to connect. He gives one example. He said that, yes, I tried learning guitar. Is it guitar now? Yes, he said that he tried learning guitar. He was not good at playing instruments and all. Okay, but still he, because he was disabled, or he decided to learn something new, something different. So he said that he was not able to manage, he was not able to learn anything. And ultimately what he did, one night he just, okay, उसने वो string थी वो निकाल दी. And he said that time he didn't regret, he was feeling very happy because he was not able to learn. That was, you can say, not his it was, okay, like a cage. He actually decided to do that. Okay, maybe वो किसी और चीज में good था, he was good in that, good at writing and all na. So that time he didn't realize, you can say, or something like that, but he was trying different paths. Okay, so it is better for you, जल्दी से realize करो that किस चीज में तुम good हो and try to focus on that. Is it okay? Angel, get up. Then he said that, okay, now my half an hour is over, right? So I have already annoyed you. हम ये mostly सभी को कह ही देते हैं, okay, कि बहुत तंग कर दिया. Now it's my time to go. Then
Stay. I waited. Have some tea. I can show you the garden. The
now
garden.
these are the words of Stephen Hawkins. He said, stay. Okay, means he was enjoying his company. Okay, so that is why he asked him to stay.
The garden was big as park, but Stephen Hawking covered with the inch,
Covered
ru-
every inch.
covered every inch, rumbling along in his ma'am, motorized wheelchair, while I dog to keep out the way. He couldn't talk very much. The sun made him silent. The letter on his screen disappeared in the glare.
So now he said that when he was ready to leave, Hawkins said, stay, don't leave. And then they had tea and all. And then he showed him his garden, which was just like a park. Means it was huge, but still Stephen Hawkins, he was walking on that wheelchair. He tried to show him every part of that garden. Okay. And then he said that we couldn't talk very much. The sun made him silent. Why so? Yes, this you can connect with mobiles also. Brightness बढ़ानी पड़ती है हमें. ठीक है? Whenever we are out, we have to increase the brightness. So same, because whatever he used to say, he used to type everything that appeared on a screen और कुछ भी ऐसा हो रहा था. So that was not now visible. Okay, maybe he was not able to find the words that time. So because of the sunlight, the conversation was not going on properly. Okay, it was a kind of halt that time. Shiva?
An hour later, we were really to leave. I did not know what to do. I could not kiss him or cry. I touched his shoulder and wheeled out into the summer every evening. I looked back and I knew was waving through that he wasn't. Watching him and embodying of my bravest self, the one of I was moving towards, the one of I had believed in so many years alone. I knew that my journey was over for now.
So he said that now after an hour, now they decided to just stop the conversation and he was ready to leave. He said that that time when the time was for him to leave the place, that area, he said that he was confused how to say bye, what to do that time. You can say full of emotions. He said that he was not able to cry. रोए तो किस चीज पे रोए, right? That okay, he was disabled or this and that, or about what? And then he said that I was not able to, I could not kiss him, means I was not able to show my love to him. Again, if he would do that, again, it would be like that he's showing some kind of pity. So he was saying that he was not able to show his emotions that time properly. And then said, I touched his shoulder. What he did, he just touched his shoulder and wheeled out into the summer evening. Just then he just left. Then he was just trying to imagine. He said, I looked back and I knew he was waving. Why he just said that I knew he was waving? Otherwise, there was no body movement. But he assumed that, okay, maybe Hawkins wanted to wave, but definitely he was not able to. So he said that though he wasn't watching him an embodiment of my bravest self. He said that I can clearly connect that, yes, he was just what I wanted to be. He also wanted to be brave, just like Hawkins. And then he said that the one I believe means he admired for so many years, his inspiration and all. Then he said that I knew that my journey was over for now. He had met his inspiration, his bravest self. He had seen his future, kind of his future. So he said that for now, for time being, my journey was over. That's all. Finish. Okay. So what have you learned from this chapter? You are not disabled, but still, what have you learned? Sometimes you behave like disabled, मतलब तुम्हें समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था जो instructions related to discipline and all that time. What have you learned? Yes, first thing, always admire what you have. Then the body, that is just accessory. That is just accessory. Okay. So don't waste your time decorating it. Don't apply mehendi. Soul matters. Yes. What matters the most? It is the soul. Whether you are abled, disabled, whatever, only your soul that matters. Okay. Girls need to fold their accessories. And then any other thing that you have learned? You should try only, you should focus on the things that you are good at. That's all. Matlab, don't be not overconfident. You can say, कई लोग होते हैं जो बहुत चीजें ट्राई करने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं, but they are not good. Instead of doing that, suppose you are good at maths, so just focus on that. क्योंकि definitely आगे जाके तुम उस चीज पे करोगे focus. ठीक है? This is basically for your jobs and all. Focus on that thing in which you are interested and you think you can do well. Don't be, you can say, stressed और pressure तो जो पड़ेगा वो उसके बारे में मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकती. You should never leave home. Hope. Okay, yes, hope. And yes, according to Hawkins, there was no choice, right? But yes, there was choice that he decided to live creatively. So this is for you also when you think that, okay, now I have to choose between two paths. Okay, one definitely wo easy rahega, second one difficult rahega, and what you usually, not you, only you, what we actually do, we go for the easiest path, that is being sad. Number कम आए रो लो, कोई बात नहीं, साइड पे बैठो, थोड़ा सा उस टाइम पे ऐसे मूव कर लो, डन. उस टाइम के लिए सब कुछ ऑल ओवर, राइट? 2-3 महीने बाद फिर दोबारा ऐसा होगा. So instead of doing that, try to find out your mistakes and work. ये नहीं कह रही कि सारे बच्चे फर्स्ट आए, but at least you can improve. Is it okay? Try to improve every time. Not in your arguments, but for what you are here. I am not talking about Mehak. उधर मत देख उसे. इसको देख रहा. Okay, let's start the question answers. Cambridge was my metaphor for England to the writer. Cambridge was the real England. No need to do these questions in your fair notebook. Okay. Then is the writer phoned Stephen Hawking's house? Outside. I think outside. He said, "Na, I told that वो." ये बताया नहीं. Maybe वो actually phone पकड़ लिया उसने, but वो जो booth होता है that is very small ना, तो उसकी wheelchair अंदर नहीं आ रही होगी. But body तो उसकी move हो रही थी ना. तो ऐसे थोड़ा सा आगे होके he managed, maybe someone helped him, not written. What do you think? It is nearest phone booth. Why I am saying so? Because उसने वो wire खींची, that is why I am just saying so. Tearing the cord, yes. हाँ. Okay, next is every time he spoke to the scientist, the writer felt guilty because he forced the scientist to use his voice synthesizer. I felt a huge relief in the possibilities of my body in the given context. The highlighted words refer to shifting in the wheelchair, turning the wrist, means that there were movements in his body, so he was very happy. Now the main questions. Now for every question, whether it is yes, no type or whatever the question is, you need to explain, give reason. नोटबुक पे अगर चेक भी हो गया है, वो छोटा सा आंसर लिखा हुआ है, I'll check, okay? But वो जब एग्जाम टाइम में होगा, you will not get full marks for that. Explain. So it is better notebook पे ही explain करके दो. See the question, did the prospect of meeting Stephen Hawking make the writer nervous? If so, why? अगर यहाँ पे why नहीं भी पूछा हुआ, still you have to give the answer. ठीक है? Now the answer. Anvay, both the questions. Why was he nervous? Second is, did he at the same time feel very excited? Why was he excited? Why was he nervous?
He was nervous on meeting the Stephen Hawking because Stephen Hawking was his inspiration. He had always dreamt of meeting him but couldn't. So that's why he was nervous. Was it? Because he felt very excited as he was about to meet his inspiration.
Okay, see, in the part, did the prospect, anyone else? Before I give my answer. Shreya. What? Answer? Mehak. Just imagine you are going to meet your inspiration, means जिससे तुम inspired हो, any celebrity, any player or whatever. So the kind, I think you will also have this kind of mixed feeling. You will be nervous and you will be nervous and excited. Why? Why the nervousness? Yes. Nervousness that you don't want to do anything wrong, right? You want to get maximum out of that limited time, right? So that is why this kind of nervousness, and that nervousness also that you are going to meet it is kind of dream, right? And you are going to live that dream. So again, nervousness. And then in this part, you can write about the achievements of Stephen Hawking, that he was the best, he wrote the book, that bestseller book, A Brief History of Time. And then he was a brilliant astrophysicist. Then write about his body and how he managed, still he was so famous and he was so brave. That is why he was nervous. Main point is, why was he nervous? Because he didn't want to do anything wrong, right? And he want to make best out of that limited time that he got. नहीं लिखो. See, अगर अलग अलग करने हैं, अगला भी हमारे पास सेम ही है. Did he at the same time feel very excited? He was excited because now he was meeting his inspiration face to face. A very rare chance. Again, excitement क्या होगी? यही होगी ना कि yes, हम किसी celebrity को मिल रहे हैं तो okay, हम मिल रहे हैं. That is the excitement. That's all. Yes, yes, Paramji. Combine these two questions and then write the answer. Okay, because almost answer same hai. So combine. Write about his achievements, write that he was his role model, and then he didn't want to do anything wrong, want to learn more and more in that limited time. Okay, and then his face-to-face meeting, face-to-face, not he was still, you can say he was excited that he even got the chance to meet. Okay. Guess the first question put to the scientist by the writer. What was? कहाँ पे? हाँ लिख सकते हो. But ज़्यादा focus उस पे नहीं करना. Yes, what? Guess the first question. For which he gave the answer that I wasn't brave. I hadn't any choice. What do you think? क्या question होगा? What do you think? What should be the question? I haven't been brave. Okay. Confident about your disabled body. Okay. Anyone else? He might have asked about how he dealt with all these disabilities. What do you think? Avni? Acha, do one thing. Just write according to your perception and explain his answer, to which he answered. Otherwise the answer is going to be just a question, एक हल्का सा question होगा. But later on, after the writer or the Stephen Hawkins said this, he hadn't any choice and this and that. So for this, the writer might have asked, use might because you are not sure. Okay, so the writer might have asked whatever you think the question would be. ठीक है, it is up to you. डायरेक्ट में ये वाला इतना पार्ट डायरेक्ट में, देन आंसर जो उसका लिखना है, दैट टू विच ही आंसर्ड दिस वे. स्टीफन हॉकिंस का आंसर भी लिखना है. अंडरस्टूड हाउ? हाँ नहीं, दैट्स ऑल. नेक्स्ट इज स्टीफन हॉकिंस सेड, I have had no choice. Does the writer think there was a choice? What was it? फिफ्थ डी में कोई आ रहा है फिर आज खाना पीना? फिफ्थ डी में कोई नहीं है, मैम को ये भी करना पड़ेगा, 50 में भेजना है. Yes. What was the choice? Living creatively. Yes, Asta. Yes. Now you have, when you are going to write, keep on explaining this. Okay? That every time we have choices and then how does whatever matters and all. Huh? इसका main answer that does the writer think there was a choice? Was yes, to surrender to his disability and be sad always, grieve and do nothing. And but Hawkins chose another way, that was to live creatively in his totally disabled, without any movement body. Talk about his body and all. I could feel his anguish. What could be the anguish? Why he felt that he might be feeling such. What was his anguish? Just think about his brain and the way he answered. उसे गुस्सा किस चीज का होगा? Why was he irritated, frustrated? What do you think? Okay, he has to type to speak. Okay, that's all. He was not able to convey the thoughts with that much emotion, right? Means his thoughts were very vibrant, very brilliant, great thoughts. And Pulkit is very happy that he has given the answer. So his thoughts were very vibrant and he was very thoughtful. But whenever the words came, the words were just frozen, right? Sentences were like dead body. Okay, so that is why that might be the anguish that he was not able to convey as he wanted to. You can also feel this whenever you are trying to make someone understand something. Suppose a teacher like Manan wants to sit there. मैंने नहीं समझा. Just imagine the anguish कि okay ये मैं समझा नहीं पा रहा या हो क्या रहा है. Then imagine I am trying to tell you something, don't do this, that, and you don't understand. Then that time imagine. Okay, मतलब मैं क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ, but you are not able to get that thing. Is it okay? When I say that you need to sit quietly, plain words, and you don't understand, then I have to choose another words, different words, right? Understood? Hanji? That frustration, you can say that anger, frustration, mixed feelings, such type of. Not frustration, that is frustration. Waste, actually useless. तुम लोगों के लिए ज्यादातर useless frustration ही आएगी. बहुत कम होता है जब yes कभी तुम सच बोल रहे होते हो उस टाइम पे when somebody doesn't understand, that can be the real frustration and anger. Yes, next. Which question? Okay, what endeared the scientist to the writer so that he said he was looking at one of the most beautiful men in the world? What he liked? Liked. He was disabled. There was one moment. That time he realized he was looking at the. Yes, when he asked him that means people like me come and disturb you, and that time he gave the answer yes. Okay, so the plain answer, the practical answer given by him, and later on he smiled also. For this answer, he smiled also for his this humor, his this nature of that very practical and very clear answer. He realized that quite chal kapat type nahi hai. There was no, you can say he was not trying to cheat. He was not trying to please anyone. Stephen Hawking he was very famous, okay, but still he was not trying to please anyone, and he was just directly giving the plain and very correct and real answers. That time he realized that he was famous, but with that time without any ego, without any hard feelings, he was just giving the answers. That time he realized he was looking at someone who was very pure and very beautiful. Otherwise, we always try to mold our answers. We never give direct and practical answers. Okay? Chalo. Okay, bye.